20 free open source repos that replace expensive SaaS that you're probably paying a monthly fee for. So I'm about to show you the top GitHub projects that replace tools that cost anything between $20 and $500 per month. So click any card to see the full breakdown. I'm going to click them all so you can just watch me do that right now. Let's check it out. So here we are, we're going to see all 20. So the first one, the most expensive one really, is N8N because it replaces Zapier or Make.com. You can literally download it, and some people don't know that you can use it to actually do actions on your computer. Like you could say, whenever I drop a file into that folder, do this, do that. It's got 192,000 GitHub stars. Amazing for automation. So definitely save this video so you don't forget about this. What is it? It's a N8N is the workflow automation platform. Here's some things it can do, and it replaces Zapier. Now look how much you'd be paying for Zapier. Absolutely crazy. Look at this, and the link is down here. You can just type in Google. Diffie is number 2. It's a drag and drop builder for AI agents. It's similar to N8N. Chatbots with support for 100 models out of the box. Absolutely fantastic. It also has 100,000 GitHub stars, which is absolutely amazing. Superbase is an open source backend project, and you can use this to create basically backends for your site. I know there's Superbase is already online, but it replaces Firebase, something you'd. At number 8, we have AppFlowy. 72,000 GitHub stars. Is an AI-powered Notion alternative built in Rust and Flutter. Local first, so your data never leaves your machine. It's amazing for productivity. So it's instead of Notion, you don't have to pay. Browser use. Now this is insane. It replaces Operator. Basically what it is, makes any website usable by AI agents, and it can automate browser tasks with your own local language model. Key, completely open source. Use your own open source models, and you can control your browser using browser use. It's an open source GitHub repo. So make sure you save this video just for that one as well, so you can use your local LLMs to actually control your computer. So here we are. Have a look at the rest. I'm just going to just scroll down so you can just save them. You could just save the video and come back later and pause it at any point. This one replaces 11 labs, so if you need text to speech or speech to text. And the last one in the list, number 20, is a self-hosted e-signature platform which replaces DocuSign, which is anything up to $45 a month. So make sure you save this video so you never miss any of these free open source tools that replace paid tools and save you money.